Well, the milkweed, this is going into year 4, and it takes a while for the clusters of milkweed to take off and really have a good spread. This is for the Monarch Butterfly restoration. That's a real big clump there. Some nice ones here, and a big clump over here. And then some scattered all around out there. It's hard to tell because some are just starting to come up. I've got 2 different varieties. So in 2 weeks I'll be heading down to Arizona, going down on the east side of the Cascades, and trying to get some monarch eggs and bring them back up here, because my milkweed will be just perfect for them. So anyway, later.